Alright guys, so this is the box the Cybertruck comes in. It's from Modern Depo, the seller on Amazon where I got it from. It is, I think at this time it was $269.99. Let's get into it though. I'm just going to open it up. Took about 20 minutes for them to get put together. This is what we're looking at. Looks like the motors here. These are the dual motors. Let's see. I ordered the gunmetal gray color. This comes in black, silver, gunmetal, and I believe they have a white one as well. And then also they have a lease version with some lights, which is also like $20 cheaper, I think, the version. All right, there's the Cybertruck. The wheels. Steering wheel. All right, guys, I'm going to probably fast forward this so you don't have to watch me put the whole thing together, but I will be back. Okay, guys, I just got done finished setting it up. It took a total of about 25 minutes to put together. Super simple though. Everything, only thing I needed was a screwdriver. The wheels pop right on, and they have buttons. It's like a little locking mechanism here. So you press that button as you slide the wheel on, and it locks in place. It comes with a battery, so no need to check for that. It's there. You just got to plug it in and let it charge up. All right, I'm gonna put it in the shade, let it charge up, and we'll be back. Okay guys, I charged the battery for the recommended 12 hours. It said 8 to 12 hours, so I went ahead and did 12 hours. And I also wired in a drill battery adapter, so when the battery from the Cybertruck runs out, the drill battery can be used just for a longer battery use. So I'm gonna show you it working now. This is running off the remote right here. Put it in reverse. Back forward. I don't think the headlights are on right now. I could turn those on. Here comes my son. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here, you want to get in it? We'll see if he gets in it. We'll have him ride around it for a second. The only thing I don't like is when I put it in drive, it from reverse, it sometimes has like a whiplash. Ooh, just missed the basketball hoop. Just missed the dog. You like it? Okay guys, here it is. Getting a little darker out so you can see the lights better. Right now I have it running on the drill battery, so it moves pretty quick. I've got my 7-year-old riding in it who weighs almost 60 pounds, and it's probably doing, you know, I don't know, 6-7 miles an hour, maybe a little faster. Oh, and I got a remote switch, so I put some little 12-volt strips of LED lights underneath it, so you can have some night glow for our night rides. Overall, we really like it. I think my 7-year-old's been riding it more than my 1-year-old. My daughter also, she's 10 years old, and she rode it for several hours today. Overall, we would definitely recommend getting this Cybertruck. And we would definitely recommend adding the drill battery attachment. They make different ones. You can find them on Amazon. Just search drill battery power wheels, adapter, drill battery adapter power wheels. And they have different ones. You can get an adapter for DeWalt drill battery, Milwaukee, Craftsman. I'm using Craftsman because we already had some Craftsman laying around. But it makes the car go at least twice as fast. And the remote was on Amazon. This was like 10 bucks, 8 or 9 bucks maybe. And the strips were 10 bucks. So it was probably like $25 to add the lights to it. All right, guys, overall on the Cybertruck, I give it a 9 out of 10 because I've had some technical issues with the buttons. Sometimes when you hit them, it turns the car completely off. I don't know if that's just mine or if that's a lot of them doing that. Other than that, no problems. I like the lights. I like the strip right there, and I like the strip of lights up here, and then the lights that I added. You got to remember, those don't come with it now. I added those. But yeah, overall, really nice car. Fits up to a 8-year-old, I'd say, with the drill battery attachment. What do you give it, Hampton?
50,000 out of 10.
50,000 out of 10. So if you're a kid, or if you're a parent of a kid, they're probably gonna like it. I'm not gonna lie. You're gonna have a lot of fun with it. So I'll add the link to the Amazon in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.